YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Tim with Jeepin and Exploring. Today we are down here to our friendly neighbors to the south in Arkansas. We got a day full of hiking. We're going to check out a bunch of waterfalls and stuff. Maybe a couple trails, but mostly hiking. So if you're into hiking and everything and like seeing cool waterfalls, stay tuned in this video because we're going to have quite a bit of that. Being led today by Steve and Angie, as we do a lot of times. And got a few of us here, so it's going to be a good day and see what kind of good stuff we can find. So stay tuned and hope we see you at the end of the video. And anyway, stay tuned. Sorry. So just a little jog down the road, not even say almost 1,000 yards. We got Six Finger Falls. So now we're going to go check it out. So we hiked down in between the two waterfalls. I don't know how we can see it on camera, but got a little cascade coming off the top there. I don't know if that's normally there or not, but we've had some pretty good rain down here and things are flowing where they normally don't flow. So kind of blessed right now to see some stuff that we normally wouldn't see, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Right down that way is where we started off at Intersection Falls, down around that corner. And then a little farther down that way was the Six Finger Falls. And then you got this in between. So we're going to try to make this hike back up to the Jeep, which is the fun part, and see what we can find next. So see you up the road. In this area, just all kinds of stuff in this area.
Oh, look at you.
I do. But boy, these are really cooked out too.
Should have ate my Wheaties this morning. So this is a little one they call Horsetail Falls. About a half a mile hike back here to it. We got about another half a mile. We're going up to one called Fuzzybutt. But man, this is gorgeous. Down here to the river. Seen some bluffs down here that, two things I love most, bluffs and waterfalls. Well, besides technical trails. But as far as hiking goes, it's absolutely beautiful. Got another waterfall and a water crossing.
It makes that pretty rock. It's not going to roll on you.
Yeah, you need to rinse your food.
These bluffs are awesome. Goes back in a cove.
That looks awesome. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Get them wet.
And socks. I don't, but I'll be fine.
Okay.
Put on my sandals.
Oh, I have
You didn't
a-
bring your Crocs.
I have a full change of clothes. I got everything. Man, you talk about learning my lesson.
Well, sticks actually come in handy.
Yeah. I'm gonna get these. Okay, which one? How cold is it, Nancy?
Not as cold as
You can do it. Oh, this makes hiking worth it.
Can we camp back here?
Oh,
Holy crap.
this is gonna be awesome. Get back in there. I don't know if this camera will pick it up or not, but got a little rainbow in the water there. This sort of came in. Now we go over here to the good stuff. Absolutely amazing. You can really see it cascading over here now from over here. So this was definitely worth the hike out here. This one is Fuzzybutt Falls. Not to be mistaken for this Fuzzybutt. That Fuzzybutt. I don't know where it got the name at, but it's definitely the best waterfall I've been to so far down here. But we're going to start hiking on back and see what else we come up with later in the day.
Should I just leave it in? Be careful.
So yeah, we just got that hike done. If hiking's your thing, definitely recommend come checking out the Fuzzybutt Falls. That's probably the nicest hike I've done in Arkansas so far, which I've still got a lot of Arkansas I haven't seen. Finally made it back to our Jeeps. But I would recommend, making sure you got the right hiking shoes. Doesn't hurt if you're inexperienced, coming with a group. You had to walk through some water, over some rocks. I don't know if it's that way during the summer when, it's in drought season, but, a few of our feet got wet, but just, obviously if you're into hiking, you know all these things and you're aware of these things. But if you're not experienced, you can still go back to the Fuzzybutt, but just wear good shoes and, be prepared. But we're going to go see what else he has in store for us. I'm not sure what's after this, but I think there's like a ghost town or something like that he's wanting to check out. But we will see and follow along with us and see what we find. Now we're making our way down to Falling Waterfalls. This is just right off the road, so isn't no hike to it. Except for a few stairs. Wow. Look at those bluffs. Like the coves in. she's staying up there.
Get a real good shot.
Yeah. Absolutely amazing. I haven't been in this area in Arkansas yet, and I've been missing out for a long time. I don't know how it normally flows, but I guess with the rain we got, we picked a good time to come. This is just awesome. Every time I think we've seen the best for the day, find something better. It's just amazing. Alright. I guess on to the next. Eat a waterfall.
You can make fresh oven pizza that way. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That would be good.
So this was part of that CCC camp?
Yes. And
What kind of camp was it?
Civilian Conservation Corps.
Okay.
And according to Destination Arkansas, he thinks this may have been a prison of war camp for Germans during World War II.
Oh.
We're going to try to find what he thought was a holding cell. There's a concrete building down here.
Oh, wow. Huh.
Yeah, during
Oh, nope, you're perfectly fine.
during the
Thank you.
Depression,
Good to go.
they
Swap you out. No, just kidding.
established
Nobody was gonna, I saw I got barely the sleeve of Dad's.
men to work.
Uh,
I will crop your little head out.
Did a lot of this ditch work stuff.
Here, don't let this come up. There's Fred over there.
Fred?
What? Oh no, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Fred's over there.
This is a German friend.
Frederick.
Oh, that would be prawns.
Yeah, it had to at least be a two. I'd say that was a two-story building,
Yeah.
and then
It was surely 2 stories.
yeah, yeah. You can see where it went up against the roof right up there.
These woods could talk. Imagine what the story.
The way Steve talks, we may need to speak German if we could hear him. Trail goes down to the water. Yeah.
Imagine looking forward to sleeping here.
Yeah, look at the old mattress spring. Well, if you was camping out here, I guess you got some shelter. For the,
Yeah.
One of the first Sealy posturepedic mattresses right there.
yeah.
Yeah, the first ones.
Serial number
Yeah.
002.
It's all yours.
Is there any spookies in here?
Well, there might be spookies. Yeah, it goes a little further. You can tell the road, the house.
Door. Door still.
Is it dinner time yet? Just had to walk over here and spotted this cool rock formation. Sometimes you walk just a little farther. Oh wow. Oh, wow. Got the river down there. We got a cave. Kind of. You can see daylight up there. Oh, this is beautiful up here. Holy moly. Look at this water. It's a beautiful green. That's cool. I was about to turn around and go back the other way.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Oh, that's where I was trying to look up earlier.
Do it. Before you do, can I have the vehicle, please? Yes? Yeah, I think that went over too well.
Come get him.
Actually, I'm gonna need a ride home. No, I'm kidding.
Looks stable.
Yeah, just a little fall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's plenty of room right here. Oh. Yeah.
So shadowed.
Oh crap! Something's been like.
Yeah, snake might bite you in the other part of the house.
Oh, rattlesnakes down here. Something looks like it's lived right there.
Might have. I'd live there if I was a critter.
Yeah. Holy crap. Okay, I'm out of here.
Watch your head. Watch your
Oh yeah,
head.
watch your head.
I see.
Might be a vicious cougar, Edmond.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, if anybody ever finds their way out here at this CCC camp, found a sign, Ozark Highlands Trail, Fairview Campground. It's only 9 miles that way. So, yeah, not for me. But if you really like hiking, here you go. Yeah. I got about probably at least 1.5 miles hike back to the Jeep, maybe 2 miles. That's enough for me. Looks like we got another old building up here. I'm gonna do some more research into what this place was. Wonder what this was. Huh. There ain't no telling what this was.
The day after when we came back, when it was complete.
don't you
What do you think you're doing?
along the other side over there?
Hello? What are you doing? Ow!
It's not very far down there to the chicken head.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure she did.
It's still up there with Larry and Sally and the dog. Up there behind us. Oh, wow. Coming slowly. Yeah, she's on this way. I can take your picture of you and Andy's picture.
Well.
The breeze is a little cool. Yeah, it's really fun.
You know, in the last Arkansas video, I made a comment about Strawberry Bluffs being the prettiest view, but this might have it beat, maybe. Edmond's way over there.
Yeah, he's gonna get the drone out. Yeah. Right? It's like blowing everywhere. Oh, it's all good.
Alright. Awesome. Thank you.
Took several different angles.
Awesome.
This is cool.
I'm telling you, Lord, it's so real. Had the fog down the valley.
That's Sam's Throne, that big hump down there. The trail.
Oh,
Then you
okay.
can actually go to that next mountain over if you hike the trail.
Well, this one was plenty worth coming over here.
Right, yeah. This is beautiful.
I would like to come back and hike it though, all the way. All right, start making our way back. So, I walked down this steep incline. Apparently they found a little cave or something. Did I hear someone say cave? Ooh. Oh, yeah.
But just be careful because it's slick right there. And if you trip, you go all the way down.
Oh. Yeah, I know I've slid a couple times.
Here, I'll get out of your way. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh, wow.
And you can like go through to the other side too.
This rain's made everything slick.
Hey Tim, there's a little piece sticking out, so we're gonna call it Pecker Cave. So if you come back up here, we'll show you.
Oh, yeah. Goes through there. Big drop off there. You talking about this one?
Yeah, sticking out.
Goal for 2024. Lose some weight. Lots of weight. Yeah, it's fine. Anyway, that was beautiful. That was a heck of a hike back up. I'm spent. It's time to head toward the house and stop and get some dinner on the way. So we're gonna head that way. We'll see you.
Just wanna be forever young. Yeah, I just wanna be forever young. I'm off the ground, no one can stop me now. Yeah, I just wanna be forever young. The other night, I remember what it felt like. Felt like to be on time and wide-eyed. 여전히 그리워. 부지 어린 내 딴따라 이유가 없던 해봐나 Doing what I want 돌아가고파 Yeah I don't care 생각 따위는 더 버려던 하루만이야 I don't care No I don't care about tomorrow Live fast die young Why grow up if we can't have fun Yeah I just wanna be forever young Yeah I just wanna be forever young I'm off the ground No one can stop me now Yeah I just wanna be forever young 아직 우리 young and reckless 어른이 된다는 건 주는 것보다 더 싫은 걸 I don't wanna know I don't wanna know 어딘지는 몰라도 고민보다 꽃을 남도 벗어나 난 춤이나 출래 all night I don't care 손가락질이 다널 가리키지만 Yeah I don't care No I don't care about tomorrow I don't care about tomorrow Yeah
So that was quite the eventful day. Couldn't ask for a better day for all the hiking in the water and everything. We done ended up beautiful weather after the rains we had. The waterfalls were amazing. Worked up a good hunger. We came down here to Jasper, ate at Jasper Pizza. Ever in Jasper, I highly recommend it. It was great pizza. Anyways, we're going to head back to Missouri. Thank you all for watching, and we appreciate that. And as always, if you enjoyed it, we appreciate you liking the video. It helps get it around, and we got a lot of stuff planned coming up in 2024. Lots more videos. So if you enjoyed what you saw, this was a little bit more a hiking video, but you know, we're going to have more jeeping videos and some camping videos, and you know, some trails. We're going to go after some Jeep badges more this year. So if you enjoy all that, just hit that subscribe button and keep track of us. Leave some comments, appreciate that. Also, I've just started putting in there, if you notice, if you're in the area, Jeep Branson this year is the first year for doing that. It's June 20th through 23rd. It's going to be a big event. A lot of that money is going to go to a good cause and everything. So I will leave a link in the description for that. Tickets right now are on sale, so you get those before April, I think, is when they go up from there. We would love to have you, all the Jeeps we can get for that event. So make sure and check that out. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for that. Also this year, pushing a little bit for trying to get more support for Jeepin for a Cure. That is October 12th of this year. Also, we'll have a link with the information for that. It's in Ozarks, Missouri, and at James River Jeep. There's also another one this year, it's second year, that is in Florida. So just make sure you check out jeepinforacure.com, all information for that. And it's for breast cancer, and everything goes, 100% of the proceeds goes to helping families with breast cancer. So anyways, thank you for watching, and as always, we'll see you next trip, and keep exploring. Later.